Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a NOKIA G22 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the app which will provide you with a keyboard. So for example, the notes, browser, the messages, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen, like here, and then all we have to do is to tap on the settings. Tap on the languages, and this is the list of all currently other languages, so we've got only English. Let's tap new one. Let's tap on add keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide. If you don't want to search like that, so if you don't want to swipe, just tap on this search icon here and you will be able to type the name of the language. If you will find it, just tap on it. Sometimes you will be able to pick the region, so just tap on it again. And here we've got some keyboard types. And depending on the language, sometimes you will be able to pick from 1 up to even 7 different keyboard types. So basically all you have to do to apply the keyboard is to tap on it, mark it. So let's pretend I want to use this Urdu one. So let me mark it and untick this option. I don't want to use this one. Let's tap on done to confirm, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on this list, which simply means that we've got 2 different languages added right now. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that we've got basically we will have 2 differences. Right now only one is visible. So the globe icon, it will act as a language key, so thanks to this we can simply change the language. Right now I am typing English, kind of English, and after tapping on the globe icon I can easily switch to the Urdu one. As you can see here, we've got also the second difference, so the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So just by tapping, as you can see, you can change the language and you can always check which one you've got currently set. So this is how to add the language to keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really want to have like 2 or 3 different languages added, you just want to have one. So we have to enter the settings again. The language is this section basically, and here we have to tap on the edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to mark the language we would like to remove. So let's pretend I only want to set the English one. So after marking, just tap on the trash bin icon. I've got only English, which simply means that I've got only one language applied, and of course you can recreate it and do the same action operation with the language you'd like to set. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your NOKIA G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.